Hey yo, what's up? Alright, so let me turn this down. Um I've been working on an ESP for Soul Cube. Okay, there we see an action right here. Should probably put like a 1 millisecond delay onto my aimbot. Wait. I think might need to up the delay a little bit on the bot. It's like glitching out a little bit. But yeah, I fixed a couple things with the aimbot. I think for the last video, I had the closest player thing not even set up, so it wouldn't be getting the closest player. But now, if the temp distance is lower than the closest underscore player, it'll set the yaw and pitch for the closest underscore player. So, if you watched last video, to probably fix that. Turn the first line. What? So yeah. Anyway, so the ESP is looking a little bit rough. Yeah. So, but I like it because I don't have to use anyone else's like world to screen functions or any of that shit. I did all the math on my own for the calculations. It's all done right here. You know, calculating the pitch. Yeah, we could probably separate this, do some refactoring, as it's called. Make some new functions or something, and separate it out. But me, it doesn't really matter. If you want to separate it, you can. It's a little bit late for me, so might work on. I'm just gonna make sure everything works before I start cleaning the code up, making it look better. Like I can move this out of this whole loop right here. Move that out. Um, yeah. But yeah, no, I mean it works. It works pretty well. It does what it's supposed to do. Oop, that's okay. That was a little bit weird. Um, but yeah, just prints the character's name. I think it's missing. Yeah, for some reason it's missing the first letter. No idea fucking why. So if you know why, let me know. I think it. The only explanation is it has to do with my. Oh, I meant fucking comment section. Appreciate it. Code that I used from reclass because char name, but this is where the name starts. I don't know why it cuts out the start. Honestly, I have no idea. You can change the amount of chars inside of it. It's anything you want. It'll still cut off the front of the name. I have no idea why. But yeah, I want to work on making shams. So kind of like what I did for it check. Um so when I made this video right here, I want to make these chams work in a Soul Cube because right now they don't really work. I can show you what it looks like in game, but it looks kind of rough. Which is both the games use OpenGL, so you would think it would be kind of the same because we're hooking a function from draw elements and changing it. But yeah, it's super fucked. But I'm gonna work on that probably tomorrow and try to get that set. If you want a video on making chams and hooking OpenGL functions and how to make these little little nameplates, I guess you can call them. I can do that. Um, but the thing is, like, I'm doing all this without using like I'm GUI or anything like that, or any of those like hooking like pre-built functions you can go download up the GitHub, which you can use this if you want to, which is it's totally cool. But learning how to hook things on your own is pretty fun. Although my aimbot's a little bit sketchy though. I'll tell you that right now. Aimbot's a little bit sketchy. But I mean it works debatably well. That's a little bit weird. Yeah. But yeah. Um, so yeah, let me know what y'all want to see, I guess, for that. I guess I'm gonna make this an update on how the cheat's looking right now. Cheat's looking a little bit rough. But yeah. Or should I do a video on that shit right now? I mean, it's already pretty late, bro. I just go to sleep and then do it tomorrow. I mean, do y'all even care about like seeing this? How to hook the text function? Because and then printing it out on the character. I guess I am like basically making my own world of screen function. Which if you don't know what world of screen is, basically it's like converting the 3D game render space to print it out on your 2D screen and scaling it, right? And for that, you just use this formula right here. This might look a little bit weird, but basically our virtual game screen is 2400 times 1800. And even though my settings are 1024 by 800, right? It scales with your settings. So changing the like for setting the values for anybody in the game, it'll always be those dimensions when you're doing your world of screen function. Oh. And yeah. And this is basically how you get your when we're calculating our x and y values. We're going to be taking, so you take the middle, so the middle point of your screen, which for x would be 1200, for y would be 900. Then we add the like a difference for our yaw or pitch, like the x value or y value, times whatever the median is of these three values. This is for my x value. My y value was 25. And then that's how you get your like the location of the enemy on your screen. X and Y value, right? So we see him running around. See that's following him around right there? Yeah. Yeah, so the name's kinda rough. Like half the time I'll get like an access right violation and it'll just crash my game. So tough shit. It's probably because like I don't know, I'm just not good enough, I guess, at fucking refactoring. That's like the technical term. It's like when you take so like basically I'm making this code and stuff in different like things. So I made it in internal memory hack 4 is where I made this right here. And then I'm bringing it and adding it onto this main component right here. I'm creating threads, which I don't know if that's what you're supposed to do, but it's just what I'm doing because I don't know, I'm just having fun. And debugging and toying with it is kind of fun too. But yeah. What do you mean? What do you mean is this video, bro? I just random shit. Alright, well anyways. I guess it's the end of the video. Let me know what you want to see in the description. Oh, I meant fucking comment section. Appreciate it.